Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode on the Null Operators within C#. Let's get to it. We're going to be a short episode. I just basically want to talk about two different operators that exist within C# and how to use them. So we're going to go ahead and create a string and create one that's null. And so basically, this first one is called the Null-Coalescing operator. And what we're going to do is have two question marks and then say nothing. So this is sort of like a ternary operator, except it's only for null objects. And basically what it's saying is, if S1 is not null, then give me the result of S1. Otherwise, give me a string that says nothing. So this is actually a way to avoid errors and to create something out of a null object. So a little bit interesting. Do a quick write line of this and just see the results. Read key. Go ahead and start this, and we can see that the string is nothing because S1 is null. But if we actually made S1 equal something, save this, run it again, you can see that we're actually saving it as nothing because S1 is not null, so we just assign the value of S1 to S2. And starting in C# 6, there was a new null operator. It's called the null-conditional operator, or apparently the Elvis operator. And basically it's a way of checking if an object is null off of the function, off of like a method call. And I'll just start typing to show this a little bit better. Basically, if we were to do the same thing again, and say string 1, then we're going to do this question mark dot toString. And so basically we're doing the same thing. I think this will make string 2 null. We might get an error while running this. Don't get anything. I'm going to create a breakpoint here just to see what string 2 equals. So string 2 equals null. And the thing is, without this little question mark before the method call, we wouldn't get an error. But let's see what would happen if we try to just run this normally. We would get an error because this first string is null and you can't call a function on a null object. So this prevents us from getting an error. And what it does is basically, it's sort of the same thing. It's saying if string 1 is not null, then apply the toString method. If it is null, then just make string 2 null. And that prevents an error from happening. It's okay to assign string 2 just a null value. And it was only those two operators for this video, so thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Let me know what you think about the series down in the comments below, and I'll see you next episode.